All right, we're going to do some tutorials at measure 12 from Millennium for the cellos and basses and everybody as they add in. So we're going to go ahead and start with our rhythms. Here it is. Cello, bass, ready, and bop bop ba da 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 da. If we slow it down, you can hear the metronome there. Bop bop ba da 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 da. That stops at 16. What you're going to notice is that the cellos and basses start at measure 12 softly. Measure 13, the violas come in on their G. The measure later, the second violins come in. And less than a measure later, the first violins come in right before the 2/4 bar. So you have, starting at 12, 1 and 2. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. Measure 13, 2, 2. Ba-da-da-da. 14 and ba-ba, 2. Ba-da-da-da, and the 2/4 bar and 4/4, back to 4/4, 16. Okay, and you're going to use a marcato bow stroke, real kind of firm into the string, small bows, fast stroke. Make sure you stop each stroke. So if I start that again, here's 12, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Let's try that one more time. 2. And 1, 2, 3, and 12, and. And that takes you to 16.